What if I told you that one simple mistake, one thing you may think is harmless, could get your YouTube channel terminated overnight? No warning, no second chance, no recovery. Everything you built, gone. Your subscribers, your watch hours, your monetization, deleted. And the scary part is, many creators get banned without even knowing what rule they broke. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 dangerous mistakes that can get your YouTube channel permanently banned. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because some of these points are extremely important. And one small mistake can cost you your entire channel. In fact, one of the late mistakes on this list is the reason many creators lose every future channel they try to make. So stay with me till the end. Number 1, using someone else's AdSense account. This is one of the biggest mistakes new creators make. A few years ago, I had a monetized YouTube channel, but I didn't have the document needed to verify my AdSense account, so I did what many beginners do. I connected my channel to my friend's AdSense account. At the time, it seemed smart, but then disaster struck. His channel got copyright strikes. His AdSense account got affected, and because my channel was connected to it, my own channel got terminated too. That was one of the most painful lessons of my YouTube journey. Why this is dangerous? When your monetized channel is tied to another person's AdSense account, problems affecting that account can impact every late monetized channel. Protect yourself. Use your own AdSense account whenever possible. And trust me, the next mistake is what many creators are doing right now without realizing the danger. Stuffing too many tags and hashtags. Back when I started YouTube, I thought the more tags I add, the better my video will rank. So I stuffed my description with hashtags, a lot of them. And then one morning, my channel was terminated for spam and deceptive practices. I was shocked. My content follows the rules, but YouTube systems saw my excessive hashtags use as spamming behavior. Here's the truth. Too many hashtags tags can make your channel look like you're trying to manipulate search rankings. Best practice? Use only relevant tags. Keep hashtags between 1 to 5 maximum. Never keyword stuff descriptions. But what got many creators banned next is even more common, and most people think is hard work. Number 3, spamming upload too fast. Uploading consistently is good. Spamming upload is not. Many creators think YouTube works like TikTok. Post 5 times today and blow up faster. No, YouTube is different. Long-form content is expected to take time. So when a new channel suddenly uploads multiple videos every day, YouTube may view it as suspicious, especially if videos look repetitive, content quality is low, upload speed seems unnatural. Consistencies look like 3 to 4 quality uploads per week. Spam look like 5 rushed upload in one day, and the next one has destroyed thousands of channels because people thought it was harmless. Number 4, teaching piracy. Pay software bypass. Making videos like how to make CapCut Pro free, download premium apps without paying, watch Netflix free forever, can put your channel in danger. Why? Because YouTube sees this as helping users bypass payment systems. That's violate platform rules. Many creators lost their channels over this trend. And if you think that is bad, wait until you hear what some creators are still doing in comment sections every day. Sub for sub and fake growth schemes. Comments like sub for sub, grow together. Support my channel and I will support back. Makes it harmless. But YouTube sees them as fake engagement schemes. And fake engagement hurt your channel badly. Why? Because those subscribers don't watch. So when you upload, your subscribers count high, but your views stay low. That destroys your click-through rate and audience signals, which tells YouTube people don't like this content, and your channel dies slowly. And this next mistake may look like growth, but it can destroy your channel even faster. Number 6, buying fake views, subscribers, watch hours. This is one of the fastest ways to get shadow banned or terminated. If you buy fake views, fake likes, fake comments, fake subscribers, fake watch hours, YouTube can detect it. They track traffic source, watch behavior, viewers retention, IP patterns, device patterns. They know when your growth is fake. Punishment includes subscriber removal, monetization rejection, 0 impressions, full termination. Now, this is where many desperate creators rule their entire futures on YouTube. Number 7, reusing other people's content without value. A lot of people think, if I edited slightly, it's mine. Wrong. Re-uploading content, even if edited, can still violate reuse content rules. Examples: reposting TikTok with little editing, uploading movie clips with no commentary, reposting viral videos, compilation videos with no transformation. YouTube wants original value. And the next mistake is why YouTube is becoming extremely strict about recently misleading thumbnails and titles. Clickbait is allowed, but deceptive clickbait is dangerous. If your title thumbnail promises one thing, but the video shows something else, that can violate deceptive practice policy. Examples: how I made 10,000 in one day, but the video is fake. Mr. Beast called me with no proof. Fake giveaway thumbnails. Misleading viewers repeatedly can hurt trust and get channel penalized. Quick question: which of these mistakes surprised you the most so far? Let me know in the comments while watching. Posting harmful or dangerous content. YouTube can terminate channels for dangerous challenges, harmful pranks, encouraging self-harm, dangerous misinformation, even if done for entertainment. And now for the final mistake. This one is so serious that it can stop you from ever creating another successful channel again. Violating circumvention policy. This is one many creators don't know. If YouTube bans one of your channels and you create another one to avoid ban, YouTube may terminate that new channel too. That is called circumvention. Sometimes they can link you by device, browser, login behavior, recovering email, IP account signals. About why channel got banned. Many creators think, my content was good, so I'm safe. No. YouTube does not judge only your content. They also judge your behavior, your optimization style, your engagement methods, your traffic quality, your growth patterns. That means you can follow content rules and still get penalized for suspicious behavior. Final advice to protect your channel. Treat your channel like a real business. Do this instead. Grow organically. Let reviewers discover you. Optimize properly. Use clean titles, strong thumbnails, smart keywords. Upload consistently. 3 to 5 times weekly is enough. Focus on originality. Add value no one else can replicate. Stay within guidelines. Never chase shortcuts, because shortcuts on YouTube often lead to long-time jail. Always remember this. It takes years to build a successful YouTube channel, but only one mistake to lose it. So protect your channel, protect your work, protect your future. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe, and comment below. Which of these mistakes shocked you the most? Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.